Welcome back to another lesson of Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about how we can convert numbers to words in Microsoft Excel. Now, Microsoft Excel doesn't have any inbuilt feature or any function to help you to convert number into text or in words in Excel. So you have to do a bit of tweak, okay? Now, the first thing we're going to do is go off to Chrome or any browser you have on your PC and then search on over here, okay? Type in number to word in Excel. Now, after you click on it, just hit on enter and you will see that the first link of Microsoft software or support will appear up. Now, what you're going to do is you will find this code over here, okay? You're going to copy all of these. What I'm going to do is copy start from the start, option explicit. Okay, I'm going to do is click on it and keep on continuing until you hit the end. Okay, what I'm going to do is go a bit up and this is the end function. I'm going to do is Control C to copy all of this and go off to Microsoft Excel. Now, what you're going to do is go off to developer. Well, if you are new to Microsoft Excel or if you've never customized your ribbon, this developer module, or let's say your developer, let's say this tab or ribbon will not appear over here. You have to turn it on. Now, how are you going to turn it on? First off, you have to go to File, click on Option, and go off to Customize Ribbon. From there, you have to click on this developer option over here. Click on it, press on OK, and your developer tab or ribbon will appear on your workspace. Now, the first thing you're going to do is click on Visual Basics. Now, after you click on Visual Basics, this type of interface will appear up. Well, you cannot put any data over here or work with it. First off, you have to do is click on Insert, click on Module. Then you have this word, text editor type of thing. And you're going to do is paste all of the codes over here. Now, after you're done, what you're going to do is just save it up. Okay. Now, first thing you're going to do is click on File, click on Save or Import, however you want to work with it. So now your function has been added to the macro. Now, what you're going to do is go at the top and you will basically see the main function and how are you going to use it. You can see under the main function, the function which you're going to use is spell number. Okay, so I'm going to do is close off this VBA. Now I'm going to do is, let's say I'm going to type in a number. Let's say instead of that, I'm going to do is put this one over here. I'm going to put in, let's say 1200. And here I'm going to do is 3400. Okay, just keep it like this. Now here, what I'm going to do is type in equal. I'm going to type in spell number. You can see it appeared over here. I'm going to do is click on any of the cell, close with the parentheses, hit on enter, and you can see what we're going to do now is type in equal, spell number, and select the specific cell, close the parentheses, hit on enter. You will see it will turn into an alphabet. We're going to do the same thing over here, type in equal, spell number, select the specific cell, close the parentheses. What I'm going to do is remove this, close the parentheses, hit on enter. It will turn into alphabets over here. Okay, so now you know how you can turn text or let's say numbers into words. So now let's move on to our next lesson of Microsoft Excel.